Okay, so I've had this dream for years, but I kept putting it off. And honestly, no more excuses. This is it. I am finally going for it. Hey, I'm Ali. Some of you might remember this channel from way back. I used to post videos on video editing and tech problems, but I've been away for a long time, like probably 2 years or even more. And even before, I used to post videos like once every 2 or 3 or even 6 months. But yeah, I'm back and a lot has happened. I became a full time Fiverr spokesperson and video editor. I've worked with hundreds of clients, shot thousands of videos, but something still felt missing. Because deep down, I've always wanted to build something for myself, not just work for clients. And this channel, it's going to be that space. I'll be talking about the things I actually love: content creation, video editing, AI tools that actually help, and sometimes talk about mindset, self discipline, and the real stuff behind chasing goals. I'm not perfect, I'm still figuring things out, but I'm doing it. And if you're on that journey too, I hope you'll stick around. So, yeah, new videos every week. And if that sounds good, hit subscribe and we'll come back. Let's grow together.